Hi dolls! So today I'm going to show you how I shape and fill my eyebrows from this to this. So this is my brows before. I usually get them waxed, but it has been a hit and miss with the person doing it. So I decided to buy this tool and just do it myself. This is a brow hair remover pen. This helps me when I have no time to go to a salon for a wax, and I also find that sometimes tweezing or waxing does not allow my eyebrows to grow back, so I usually opt for this tool nowadays. This will never give you razor burn, so I also use this TMI on my upper lip. I'm sorry, but a lady gotta do what she gotta do. So let's start on how I shape and fill my eyebrows. Before I go at it, I brush my brow hairs up and trace the outside to the shape that I wanted it to be. And I use a nude pencil for this. Any hair outside the tracing would be removed. If you don't know what shape to make, here's a diagram on where your brow should start, end, and where the arch should be. And here's another diagram that shows the shapes that suits every face shape. So after tracing, I pull my skin taut so I can easily glide my eyebrow epilator. I'm aiming it on the areas outside of the trace. I find that depending on what part of your brows you're working on, you can lay this pen flat on your skin, on an angle, and you can move it side to side, or you can do a circular motion on larger areas. So just keep practicing and see what you're more comfortable with. So here's the side where I used the epilator and the side that I have not touched yet. It only took me a few minutes and I'm ready to fill my brows. Now that the stray hairs are gone, I can start filling in my brows. And my pencil of choice for today, since we're doing a natural brow, is this NYX pencil in the color taupe. I think this is a good dupe for the MAC pencils. Since our brows are already shaped, we just have to follow the shape of it. And I begin by outlining the outer areas of my brows. And then once you have lined the outer areas, you can start filling in the inside. And I use the spoolie to remove harsh line and to distribute the pigment in my brows. Remember that this is a natural or a day wear look, so this look is not for going out or for parties. So notice that I'm very light-handed on this. This is perfect for moms on the go, and you can even do this inside the car. You just have to practice. Now the last step is to clean the edges with the concealer. This is a time to make your brows look like they're sisters. I usually fill in my other brow heavily than the other side. That's just how my brows are, like the other one is thicker than the other side. So I always had to clean up extra markings to make them look more alike. And you have to remember, brows are not twins, they're sisters. And that's it. It's so simple, and with much practice, you can do this faster than your first time. Here are all the hairs that my epilator got from my brows. I love this tool, and currently it's in my everyday makeup bag. I can just clean up my brows anywhere and I don't have to worry about any razor burns. So this is a keeper. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and thank you so much again for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll always be updated when a new video comes up. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!